Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark 10 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you could see, the fingerprint scanner was here fast and correct, and now with the simple touch on the scanner unlock the device successfully without any problems. So you could try this unlock methods, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.